Welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys. My name's Ardil, and today's video is all about an Apple CarPlay and Android Auto completely wireless kit that we've upgraded on an Audi TTS. If you are new to our channel, haven't seen us before, make sure you hit that subscribe button below. And remember, guys, we've got that massive competition live on our channel already. We're giving away a brand new PlayStation 5 disc edition and an Audison Premium amplifier as soon as we hit 10K subscribers. So make sure you help us get there. So let's get cracking on today's video. So today's video is all about the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto kit that we've upgraded on this car. So this car came into us with the existing Bang & Olufsen system as well as the Virtual Cockpit. So what have we actually upgraded on the car? We've done a full custom sound system on the car. We've got a full behind the sound series on the actual Bang & Olufsen upgrade. So we've got rid of Bang & Olufsen, upgraded that completely. However, today's video is all about Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This kit that we've installed is completely wireless. So you literally jump in your car, your Virtual Cockpit comes up, and Apple CarPlay and Android Auto completely wirelessly appears on the screen, adding so much functionality onto the actual vehicle itself. So the car only had Bluetooth streaming and obviously the existing MMI ports inside the car to add CD or USB input into it. However, obviously phone connectivity is so important nowadays. You've got Google Maps, Apple Maps, Waze, whatever it might be, linked in directly into that Virtual Cockpit. It's so easy to use and so seamlessly integrated into the vehicle. What we've actually done is integrated into the Virtual Cockpit using factory controls. So you actually use factory volume controls, seat buttons, everything still works as it normally would. Plus the microphone is a separate microphone away from the Audi system originally. So what we've actually done is flush that into the top light section, so you know no microphone on display, literally nothing stuck on the windscreen, nothing visible whatsoever. And we've dropped some USBs into the car as well for charging, but also connectivity if you want to have a wired connection. So we've added so much functionality into the car, and we're really happy with how the kit integrates in, and it works so seamlessly. Plus, you can't really see anything, which is really nice as well. So hopefully you've enjoyed today's video. If you're interested in getting something like this installed, make sure you get in touch with us. Drop us a message on any of our social media platforms. I'm more than happy to go through everything with you in a load more detail, or come by and see us and we can spec the system. This kit is not only available on this car, we can also do it on many other cars. We've got a Cayman GTS opposite me at the moment, having an integrated CarPlay kit added into the PCM system. So many cars can be done, and we do a whole host of them, and there's loads of videos already live on our channel. So make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future videos. But thank you very much for watching. We'll see you soon.